Hey friends, today we're going to look at base words and endings. Our learning goal for this lesson says I can decode words by adding suffixes onto base words. So we are going to continue our learning from yesterday. Remember that base words are the heart of the word. So these are the words where nothing has been added to the word yet. For example, we have the words wait, fast, and run. These are all considered base words. However, when I add the endings ing, ed, er, or est to these words, now I am adding endings onto the base words. Let's take a look at these few sentences. I waited until I saw the fastest athlete running down the track. The crowd was cheering and waving signs. Remember those words that we had on the last slide? We had wait, fast, and run. Well, now we've added some endings onto those base words. Look at our words that we have in blue. Wait becomes waited. Fast becomes fastest. Run becomes running. Cheer becomes cheering. And wave becomes waving. Let's take a look at these four base words. We have spend, spot, shiny, and safe. When we add on the endings ing, ed, est, and er, these words become spending, spend becomes spending, spot becomes spotted, shiny becomes shiniest, and safe becomes safer. In some of these words, I have to drop the Y and add IEST. Some of the words I leave just the way they are as a base word and I add my ending on. In other words, I have to double the consonant if the word ends in a consonant before adding ED or EST. Let's read this sentence with a few base words that have some endings added onto them. My dog is happiest when we go jogging for longer than a few minutes. Pause the video and see if you can talk to your learning guide about which base words were changed with endings. Come back, check your work, and then we'll see how you did. So how did you do? Let's look at the sentence, my dog is happiest when we go jogging for longer than a few minutes. With your learning guides, you should have identified that the word happy became happiest, jog became jogging, and long became longer. These words were all base words that have an ending added onto them. Happy, jog, and long. You guys did a great job with our learning goal today that said I can decode words by adding suffixes onto base words. You're going to continue your coursework by reading the decodable passage with your learning guide and seeing if you can identify some of the base words that were changed to have suffixes on the ending of their word. Good luck, friends!